Chances he's gone to the crazy side. He wants to play. Watch your head. Whoa, watch your head. Careful, careful. You're crazy. You better run. She's gonna get you. Where'd she go? Crazy ass. Don't look at me, I'm not doing anything. Nothing's going on over here. Oh wait, here's the dishwasher. Now where's he going? You can run, little bug, but you can't hide. Oh, he's gonna chase you now. Alright, he's gonna burn out big time. Monster, are you out of energy yet? Oh, he's going to his little safe place. He thinks you can't get him there. Alright, you guys, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, Chance.
Bye-bye, Chance.
Alright, he's gotta go conquer stuff.